Welcome to Singaraja Snippets. This is an unusual Singaraja Snippets. I don't usually do restaurant reviews. I've done one in all of the Singaraja Snippets that I put on YouTube. But this one is special, and just disclosure, it's run by a friend of mine, so I happen to like the people that run the place. This is a new, cool little place, very small, you can see from the video, but it has an excellent little menu, Indonesian food, predominantly Indonesian Chinese food, and some burgers, really good burger, as you'll see in the video, and drinks, no alcohol, but iced tea, milkshakes, a variety of different drinks, Coke, water, of course, and clean and a lovely staff. This is located right by the Old Harbor, so if you're at the Old Harbor, this is a short walk away. It's on Jalan Erlangga, and here is a map that shows where it is. It's open from 12 o'clock in the afternoon till around 9 o'clock at night, from what my friend tells me. I haven't been out at night, so I don't know about the night business there. But the service is excellent. The food, why, that burger was really good. So if you are in the city and you want something to eat, here is a place that you can stop and get some good food. And our meal, I had the beef burger, and that came with fries and an iced tea, and Zoe had French fries and a vanilla milkshake, and then we got these two little cakes that you see in the video. Those were free, and that cost 94,000 rupiahs, so not very much. Australian, that's what, about $9, and US, it's around $7. So something a little different for Singaraja Snippets. And there will be walking videos coming up in the next week or so as I get out and walk around because, well, holidays. Always been home from school a day and a half this week because of, holidays. And so when she's home, she wants to spend time with Grandpa. And I like that. Okay, thanks for viewing. Stay safe. Be kind to someone. I'll see you next time. So we're at a new cafe, and
Your friend's cafe.
We're at a new cafe from my friend's family. This is on Jalan Erlangga, and we'll put a little thing on the map so you can see where it is. And so this opened just recently, and so we're gonna get, Zoe's getting French fries and a vanilla milkshake, and I'm getting iced tea and a beef burger. And so if you're looking for a new cafe and you're in the city, there are two just over here. This is kind of cool. There's the Bali Cafe down the street, and there's this one. This is Bali Intan Cafe, and it opens at 12 o'clock and closes at 9 o'clock. Got some cold water to start with. Wow. Very cool. So this is not one of your Canggu cafes or your Ubud cafes. This is in the heart of the traditional bulalang in Singaraja. And parking here, you can do parking right on the street. There's a parking guy that's always out here. Okay, so we got our first thing. I ordered iced tea. Zoe wants me to rate the iced tea. I never do these food things because, well, I just don't. I'm not that kind of person, but we're doing this because this is a restaurant, belongs to a family friend. Okay, so there's Zoe's milkshake, and okay. And so this is mostly Indonesian food. There's burgers. There's three different types of burgers. There's chicken burgers and beef burgers and pulled beef burgers, I think. I'm not sure what that is. And nasi goreng and all that kind of stuff. soap muntut, and I don't know, a lot of other things. Okay, what are you doing?
I ruined it. It's so good.
Yeah? Zoe's French fries are here.
Nom nom nom.
Okay. She's got chili sauce and tomato sauce and mayonnaise, I guess. Right? Very good?
Look, it's so yummy.
Yeah?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Okay, so my beef burger came.
You made it.
And it's got French fries, and beef burger's got cheese and lettuce and tomatoes and onions on it. Very nice. Okay, so this is my burger. That was really good. Very, very juicy, very tender. Excellent beef. We got 2 little cakes for free. Look at
It's a
that.
cupcake.
Wow, those look good.
I can just eat it at home.
And Zoe has eaten her French fries and my French fries both. So this is the inside. And look over here. Oh, I got little coffee things. Oh, there's the Eiffel Tower Zoe was talking about. Where are you going? Yeah. Okay, so let's see if you can see. This is the Bali Intan Cafe. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the sign. And their board. Yeah, menu board. And so this is Jalan Erlangga here. That's the end of it. And if you don't know the area, the harbor is right over there. And a couple of tables. There's a couple of tables out here. You can sit outside if you're a smoker. Okay.